In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your sway bar links on your Toyota Camry. They're located behind the front wheels. Remove the hubcaps. You're going to stick a pry bar of some sort in there, and you're just going to go around and prop it off. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove our lug nuts. Remove your wheel. Using an 18mm socket, we're going to put that on the nut and we're going to hold it still using an 18mm wrench. There's little flat spots on the inside. Remove it from the bracket and set it down. Now we're going to use a pry bar and raise this bar up a little bit so we can get a socket on the other side. I'm using the same sizes for the bottom nut, 18mm long socket, and I'm using an extension and my air gun underneath, and then I have my wrench, same size, 18mm. It is helpful if you have another person to push up on this bar to give you enough room to get your socket on. Now you can remove it. Let's put our new one in. You're going to have the stud facing the interior of the vehicle, and on the top, it's facing the outside. I'm going to start at the bottom and get my nut on. Put the top in first before tightening anything down, and get this nut started as well. Let's tighten up our top one. We're going to snug it up, same sizes. Hold that center still. Take your wrench out. We're going to torque this to 55 foot-pounds. Now we're going to tighten up the bottom. And we're going to be torquing that to 55 foot-pounds as well. The process is the same on the other side. Put your wheel on. Start your lug nuts. Put the tapered side in. Turn your wheel so one lug nut is on the bottom, and you're going to walk the rim up. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to torque our lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds. Make sure you line your hubcap up with your valve stem. Once you get it going, you're going to give it a little tap. Now you're going to want to take your vehicle down to your local alignment shop to get it aligned.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.